Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, from yesterday's introduction, you know it's all about Skye and her pups. So today we'll be looking on Skye nursing her pups. So in the video you'll be seeing the pups actually sucking from their mommy Skye. So once again, it's a short video. Do enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay guys,
please remember to like, share.
Guys, before we go, please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. Goodbye, adios.